Hey there, look at that vase arrangement. This is Pat with Petals Crafts Some More, and we're getting ready to make that thing. You'll see that I had another one with a red rose in it. That's because this is going to have a mate. But this one is going to be more of a male vase arrangement, and the other one's going to be more for female. So we're going to just get started placing flowers. I've still not found my little turner that I put my vase arrangements on when I'm putting them together. So I just took that tin that I had gotten at Christmas time or right after Christmas time on clearance, and we're going to poke it full of bags and it makes a turner. And it keeps it from falling over. So that's a win, 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 win in my book. Oh. If you guys visit my Etsy page, you'll notice some changes. It's not there no more. I am working on a web page for Petals Crafts and More. And it was going to have illustration videos. And it's also going to have a shop. So you can just buy directly off of the web page. And the fees that hike the prices up so high on Etsy will be almost non-existent. So the products will be a little bit more economical. So if you saw something you liked on there and you were like, man, I just can't see giving that for this, you might find it once we get that page launched. I'll let you know when I launch it. Still working on it. But found out it was a little bit harder to do than what I thought. Yeah, I watched a video on YouTube, and they were like, oh, you can do it in 20 minutes. Nah, that was 3 days ago, which I've not been diligently working on it, just a couple of hours here and there in my spare time, but we're getting there. It'll be up and running before you know it. And please, please, please come visit and copy the link to it and share it on all your social media sites and help me get it out there. Excuse me. Speaking of social media sites, I am still on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and Pinterest. So you can find us on any of those. If you're on all of those, come find us on all of them. Follow along now. Right now, it's still just a repeat from one media site to the other. But as our webpage starts growing, then I will start adding different stuff on each platform. So that'll be fun and interesting. You'll want to join all of them then, for sure, so you don't miss anything. Now this arrangement, like I said, it's more for the guy, and it's a cemetery arrangement, but you could very easily put it in a basket or a tin or anything that you had at home and display it in your home. I don't know that I would put this on the table because you want to be able to see over your flowers to see what your guests are eating. But it can go on a coffee table or, a hallway desk or just anything like that. Piano, kitchen island. It could go anywhere. I'm double gluing it, so it will be safe outside. But, if it's safe outside, it's going to be safe inside. So just keep that in mind when you're putting them together. I've seen some people want them for their front porch. So, you could do that with this one. We have just a few major focal flowers, and the rest of it are filler flowers. But that's fine too. It's going to be beautiful. It's going to be open. Things will touch a little bit here and there, but it's going to have room to sway and move around and just be beautiful. Just beautiful. The little berries that are hanging down like that, draping a little bit, I thought those would show up really good against that concrete marble vase, whatever it is. I guess it's a marble vase, not a concrete one, but those little flowers are going to show up against that gray, and it's going to make it even more pretty. Now we're going to fill the border of the bottom of it with leaves that will hide the stems and keep it simple, which is what we're doing here. No, here we're putting some heather in there. And you'll see throughout this entire design, I have tucking the flowers apart and put them on different stems, mostly to heighten them, but some of them were just not the best of stems, and I put them on a stronger stem so the wind could stir them but not blow them out of proportion. And here comes the leaves to go around the bottom of it. Again, a reminder, Etsy shop is no longer, and soon there will be a Petals Crafts and More website that you can go to purchase arrangements or rewatch the videos. Or I'm thinking I may even put a blog on there. I'm not really sure about that. I never was good at words. But I may. There are apps out there to help me, so I may put a blog on there as well. But it's just going to be our spot to go hide out. It'll be wonderful. And there we have it. Nope. Found a spot that needed another leaf. I thought we'd had it. While we put that leaf in place, guys, remember, we're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. Come find us and join our pages. And if you don't care, share the love with this video and like it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day.